All right, I'm pretty much just gonna do a one take here of a walk around of the of this Jelly Belly Cars and Candy. I've not been to this before, and as you can tell, it's kind of all different kinds of cars and enthusiasts and people, and it's awesome. So yeah, we got everything from my car to that Chrysler, to some Malays, to some old pickup trucks, muscle, and then this whatever this is. All right, let's take a walk. Of course, that's my car. Of course, it's gonna get to have top billing, whether it deserves it or not. What did I see that I really liked? Oh yes. We've got a bunch of old muscles. I will try not to mention the fact that that car has splitter guards on it. Yeah. This thing is cool. I'm going to try and just focus on RADwood era cars in this video, because I'm sure other people will record stuff for cars of those genres. Which there's not a ton of, by the way. There's not a ton of rad content here. But what is here is pretty awesome. All right. All right, let's see what we got here. It's super clean. Cutlass Supreme. I feel like these cars are cooler the older they get. It's probably true for most cars. I also saw this that was very cool. Nick Fury's car. Watch out, little Prius. It's just a Prius.
I don't know if you're recording or taking pictures.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna post it to RADwood, so this is rad, and I'll post it on there. Yeah.
RADwood?
Yeah, 80s and 90s cars.
Oh, okay.
But that's still cool.
Is that on Instagram or Facebook?
Both, but Facebook. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. RADwood. Like my hat. Like the hat right here. It's just RADwood.
Oh.
Yeah.
Rad.
Sorry about that. Just recruiting new members to RADwood. Oh, yeah, these are rad. I forgot. They're so badass, I keep forgetting. These are absolutely rad. I've never gotten to drive a Viper. I'm hoping that one of my friends buys one someday so that I can drive it before they're all gone. You know who you are. Alright. These wheels are rad. Alright. I believe this is the only other Miata here at the show, or the Cars and Coffee. And it looks like it's basically advertising, but it's still cool. They're showing the difference between a finished side and like an original sun faded side. It's pretty cool. I do that kind of stuff. There's only one thing about this car that makes me sad, and that's it. Right there. Right there. Anyway, that's the other Miata. Pretty sure this truck is rad. Working at Jiffy Lube, I remember seeing these engines all over the place and everything. Doesn't look like it's been cleaned in a while, but very, very cool. What do we got here? Alright, so these aren't technically rad. I'll come back to that Corvette. But it is a 4th gen Camaro that was from 93 to 2002. And this one is very cool because it's got a Vortex supercharger. Love these cars. I will probably even let the fact that it's an automatic slide because this thing probably has the horsepower of 5 of my Miatas. Alright, let's go see this other rad car here. That's right.
6.4 liters on that?
I have friends that have Corvettes that live local that should have been at this show today. They've got nicer cars. I'm just saying.
He said he would upgrade my car to a 3.
So next year's our 30th, and then
I know this Solly isn't rad, but I don't care. I love it. This thing is super cool. It's close enough.
2006 that we called Frankenstein.
Like I said, there's all kinds of cool stuff at this car show. It's like literally almost every genre I can think of this year. Oh look, there's some Volkswagens. I literally thought there were none here, but there are some. Probably some of you are in RADwood. Pretty sure I just saw Rich's car. Wait, what do we got? Yeah. Sorry, where was I? Yes. Oh, sorry, man. Love your car. Oh, god damn it. Hella cool. Oof. All right. Borderline rad, I believe, like 98. This is definitely rad. That's awesome. It's so loud here. I wanted to say good things about this car, but I don't know if you can hear me. Alright, I was almost done recording and thought I'd seen all the rad cars that there was that were worth recording. But luckily, I waited and I saw this. Maybe I saved the best for last. What is this, I want to say 1992 Cobra R? This is cool. 1993. I knew that. Yeah, this is cool. Alright, I think that's pretty much all of the cars that are rad from this car show. If you managed to stay to the end, I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, maybe give me a like. I have like a really small channel and I'm sort of trying to build it. I don't know, perhaps. So yeah, this is Cars and Coffee in Vacaville. Cars and Candy. Oh shit, look at me not seeing this.
Man, can you pick them up? Do something?
or an RX-8 with an LS. Wow, very cool. Very, very awesome. All right, thanks for watching.